to Crack Whisk Bake, a little book. Today is a special day. Let's make cupcakes! Yay! First, we gather the ingredients. Let's use our finger to drag each one to the counter. We need salt, baking soda, baking powder, and flour. Next, we measure the dry ingredients and pour them into a bowl. Oops! The flour spilled a little. That's okay. Let's use your fingers to brush it off the counter. Brush off. Time to mix. Let's use the whisk. Let's wipe your fingers around the bowl. Mixing. Now we measure the rest of the ingredients in another bowl. All that's left are the eggs. Let's stop each one to crack it and add it to the mix. Go, crack it, Faith.
Crack.
Crack. Let's shake it up. Shake. Carefully tilt the book this way to pour the batter into the pan. Go, tilt the book. Pour the batter into the pan. Good job. Thank you. Now let's send these cupcakes off to the oven. Wave goodbye. See you soon. They're almost done. Only 10 seconds left on the timer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding. The cupcakes are out of the oven. It's too hot to frost. Blow to help cool them off. Or fan. Now the cupcakes are cool. Look who's arrived, a beautiful bowl of frosting. Can you dip your fingers in the frosting, then swirl them on top of each little cake? Wow, these cupcakes look delicious, but something's missing. Blow a kiss and see what happens. Blow a kiss. There you go. Ta-da! Sprinkles! The cupcakes are done. Now we can share. Some for friends, some for family, some for you and me. Today was a special day because we spent it together all day.